Well, as you can see, I have three Dell monitors, and each one is mounted with the monitor arms going into the backs of each monitor. The cable cleanup is relatively simple. Each cable just goes up under the each monitor stand here and slips into the plastic conduits. Since it's three monitors, I did have to use all three arms, which made it a little tricky, but I do have everything, as you can see, mounted into the desk here. Like, the desk has a little lip. Now, it is a particle board desktop, so it can be a little bit feeling a little strange sometimes, especially, yes, believe it or not, we do get some earthquakes here, and it will rock a little bit sometimes. And I feel if it rocked a little bit too hard, this area right here might start to compromise the desk. That's my only complaint, but really, honestly, that's really all it is. And these Dell monitors, all of them are slightly a little bit different. You've got different models, just picked them up as I go through my different jobs, but they're all about average size. I think they're 23 inches, and yeah, it's a good monitor stand. And unless you have some very, very heavy monitors, or want to use this on a small, tiny little table, this can be a really good monitor stand. If you're going to use something maybe more of this size table, this a little bit more flimsy, I might steer clear of using it for something that small. But this big desk shouldn't be a problem. Hope that helps.